wait for some more time. Hello, today we are showing you something different, and yesterday also Namita showed a lot of things in home furnishing, and I'll show you. We'll start from bed covers first and then we go to other things. Please keep sharing your views and what you want to see, so accordingly we'll keep adding more and more stuff. This is a beautiful bed cover. I hope it is visible. And this is the pillowcase. And the material is slub. It's a cotton, but it's called slub cotton.
Sure.
And these are reversible, so you can use it either ways, this way or this way. They are of course they are washable, but then you can wash it in the washing machine also. So, and this looks very nice because the color is different and the feel of the bed cover is very different. And the price is price is 4,400. So after discount, right now we have 20% off. So after discount, for 880 rupees will come to around 3,600. So 3,600 or 3,500. So that's the price. That's going to be the price of this.
Sharmishta says hello, Meghali.
Hi. Hi Sharmista, how are you? This is another one.
Do you need a calculator?
Yeah, I think so. We should
Ama
have a
Niyasha?
calculator. See this? Look, this material has the feel of jute. So another very stylish, very classy bed cover. I hope you can see the material. Is it clear? The price of this is 5,400. And this is the pillow cover. $4,320. So this will come to around, this whole set will come to around 4,320. And the best thing about this set is it's got a very soft feel, and very rustic look. So I think when you use this, the room will really look nice. It's got that very classy look again. Not too many bright colors, but at the same time it's very aesthetically beautiful.
Sharmishta is asking, is it cotton?
Yes, Sharmisa, these are all cotton.
Hi Sharmishta, I am behind the camera today.
Namita showed few rugs yesterday, so I'm just continuing to show because people love seeing these things, these home decor things. And this, the price of this is 675. Just 675. These are all kalamkari. After discount, 540. And the size is, let me tell you the size, it is 2 by 3. 2 feet by 3 feet. Please do not put it in the washing machine, because kalamkari prints are not to be washed, you know. Whenever, if you have to wash, please brush it with a, you know, soft brush. And still, suppose you have dogs in the house, you can do that. If you want to wash it, we would request, please don't put it in the washing machine. Another very pretty one. Yeah, actually you can use it, you know, in the drawing room, in the bedroom, just next to the bed. Wherever you put these, you know, what do you call them? Rugs look really beautiful. Some people, they also use it as, you know, where you put your doormat. They use it as a doormat also. But we would request you not to use this, because in doormats, as a doormat, you can't wash it as often. The only thing you can do is you can brush it, and if you want to hand wash it, then it's fine. The price of this is 675. So these are all 675 range. I think this one, Namita, you showed it yesterday.
Yes, I showed it yesterday.
Yeah, this one she has shown. This is someone who likes light color and no dog in the house. This is the actually, I've been using it for almost now 4 or 5 years. I have not washed it even once. Just with a brush, regularly, every day, like we dust our tables and chairs, just brush it every day with a soft brush. And nothing is going to happen. This is the bigger size. This is 3 feet by 5 feet. I'll show you next to the bed so that you can understand. These are 1595, and after discount it comes around 1276. Let me show you one more of these. This is more on the darker shade. The price is same, 1595, and after discount it's 1276.
In winters, the darker colors give more warmth.
Yes, yes. More warm, and then, you know, a lot of people, they search for darker colors so that, you know, a lot of people find it difficult to clean it regularly and maintaining it. So this is great for, you know, people who want something which is dark and they don't need to brush it every day. Show you some nice these are nice cushions, cushion covers. The material is slub. Slub is a cotton, but it has, if you can see these, you know, it looks like as if it is the material is, you know, just see. So these are all hand block printed. Yeah, price is 300 rupees each, and now that we are giving discount, it will come to 240. So these are the colors we have. pinks look very nice, soft color. The room starts looking very elegant. We have more of pinks. I'll pink on it. These are orange color, same slab material. It is hand block printed, and this is how you can use it actually. Nowadays people don't use one cushion, one type of cushion. You can actually put many of them like this. This is another pink color. Price is same, it's 300 each, and after discount it's 240. So you can use these two together. This is one more of the same quality, same price. Hand washable, machine wash, do whatever you want, it's very soft. So what I mean to say is it is easy to maintain them, because nowadays whatever we buy we always think about the maintenance first. So this is easier to maintain. So let us know what more you want to see. So we'll keep showing you. We'll show some nice hand woven cushion covers. These cushion covers are made by women. They've left their home, or they've been for domestic violence. They don't stay with their husband. So these are made by an NGO who is working for women empowerment, and they work with such people who have been bitten, or who has left home for family problems. So they sit together. They make these cushions. The price of this is 850. This is 16 by 16. So it will be 680 now. This is 12 by 12. Again made by the same people. The NGO is supporting them. This is 650. $520. So each one of them is $520. This is another one. Now that you know the price, I'll show you the variety we have in this size. This is one. This looks very nice on something which is light color. I would not recommend that you put it on floral print. It won't look that great. But plain colors, hand woven material, these cushions will stand out. This is a Naga weave. So Naga weave also has a different way of weaving these cushions. It's called loin loom. So they put it, all women working, and most of the people who make these are women folks, because in Assam and in Northeast you will see women doing more of hand work, hand woven, hand crafted things. So what they do is they put the loom from the waist to the, whatever, maybe window or wherever they feel it's easier for them, and they keep weaving it like this. So that's why it's called loin loom. And most of the women there in Assam and in other parts of Northeast, they do multitasking. They work at home as well as they go and they do the household as well as they make these cushions, and we actually had lot of things, table runners in the spare time. So this is one more. So every time we buy these, we are actually supporting women who need us, who need our help. So these are nice.
Blue one you can take off.
This is a nice runner. And runners are supposed to be used actually traditionally on the dining table, but we don't use it much in the dining table. Suppose as a table like this, we lay it there. So you can lay it in different places according to your choice. And these are the table mats. एक बार टेबल मैट में मैं एक आपको सलाह दे सकती हूँ. ये जो टेबल मैट्स है पूरा हैंड वोवन है, इसको आप ले जाके लैमिनेट कर सकते हैं. बहुत लोगों ने किया है, मैंने भी किया है. You can laminate for better use, or if you want to use it every day, and if you feel that these are only specially for guests, and যেখানে guest এসে they won't spill dal and rice, and because you have to wash it every time. So if you have a lamination, it is great to use them. If you don't have a lamination, then you have to wash it every day. The beautiful gift purpose के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. And the best thing is, what I do is at home, I have many of them. I use these as tray cloth. So इसका multi purpose भी आप tray cloth के हिसाब से use कर सकते हैं. कोई side table में आपको कुछ लगाना है तो side table में ये दो लगा के आप use कर सकते हैं. It looks amazing because the work is so fine, and it's got that handmade look. इसका प्राइस है 3000 पूरा सेट. After 20% off, it will be 2400, so 600 off. So it's a great thing for gifting, for using at home. Some people, if you feel that नहीं ये तो too much of hassle है, इसको कहाँ हम लोग हर दिन धोएंगे use करके, because we are Indians, we love our Indian food. So what you can do is, you can laminate these, or you can use it on special occasions if you feel you can't wash every day.
So this is a set of table runner and mats.
Yeah. So these are the things, and the cushion covers, like we have already told you the rates of these. I'll tell you again, these are 850. So after discount, it comes to around 20. This comes to around 680. So 680 for these. This one, I'll show you the color options. These. This one. And the smaller ones are much lesser. These are 650, and after 20% off, it's 520. So these are the cushion. We'll show you another runner. Very smart one. These are all made in Northeast India. This is just a runner, so it's 1600. So after discount, 20%, 320 will, you deduct 320, be around 1280. Again, a very good. You just give one runner and people love them because they are handmade and they are, priceless. And because women are now not working at home and doing these, and they are, they are going to different places. Like, suppose what I'm trying to say is, a lot of people who've been doing this work for many years, now they started working in different industries. So ये काम धीरे धीरे कम होते जा रहे हैं. So that's why we support them, so that we get them, so that people come and buy. There are a lot of organizations who do it. So this is how, this is what we wanted to show you today. Anything else that you want to see? Thank you so much. So we'll come back again. Yeah, I'll show you one more thing. ये विंटर्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. These are quills. रिवर्सिबल है. पीछे ये है, सामने ये है. इसका प्राइस है 4,900. $3,920. It's a beautiful color. We have another color choice. November आ गया, मतलब people start buying these, for winters, because here in Calcutta, these are just perfect for the weather now. Price is same, 4,900, and after discount it comes to around 3,920. This is very nice, very pretty.
Hi Debamita. Debamita would like to see white based hand block print bed sheets. Till that time, let me show them reverse side में.
These are our hot selling bed sheets. We sell them like crazy because I remember when we opened the store, people really didn't like these white ones. They always wanted colored. But then slowly we started selling them, and the same customers have come back again to take them. इसका material Parkel है. Parkel is the finest quality of cotton that can be used in bed covers and bed sheets. ये पिलो कवर है. इसका प्राइस,
I think it's 2850 if I'm not wrong.
this is 2850. It will come to 2280. I'll show you more options now that we have opened that for you. Tell us which one you like and take screenshot, please. This is one more. This is the pillow cover. Price is 2850 again, and it will come to around 2280. This is one more. Very comfortable material, too comfortable. This is how it will be.
Very soothing prints.
Soothing prints, and you know, we all of us we use these at home. पिलो कवर्स ये एक साइड है और ये एक साइड है. Price is same 2850. This is one more. This is the pillow cover, and this is the bed sheet. So it's got these kolkas. Just show you. इसका खूबी ये है कि these are white base. That's another thing that you love to put in your room when you sleep. Second is इसका material parkel है. Parkel is a very good quality of cotton which is used in bed sheets. And third thing is now we have discount. So those three things are, three things that I wanted to tell you all. और दाम एक ही है इसका भी. No, sorry, this is less. This is 2,700, and after discount it will become 550. 2160. So this one is lesser than the other ones. We have more bed sheets which we can show you, but let us know what you like, and we can also send pictures. So keep sending screenshots, and also note our number 93302 93304 63762. So send message to us, and we'll whatever you like, we can keep sending more pictures of the same product. Thank you so much. Bye.